do your calligraphy if you are not interested. So, who is interested? Come a little bit closer. You can come behind me. So, all information tonight, but about the glue, you can buy glue. Okay, this is one way. You will buy in just stationery shop just the glue for paper. You can do that. The problem with the glue you buy in a stationery shop or Migros or whatever is that when you use this kind of glue, you cannot do the scroll from the calligraphy. But I think you are not going to do that anyway. What I assume you are interested is to do the Urauchi, and after you can frame it. Okay, so you will if the glue is too strong, and then you do the scroll, you roll up the calligraphy, and roll down, up, down. It starts breaking if you're not using the correct glue. But you don't need to. If you do just framing and you put the calligraphy behind the glass, almost whatever glue is fine. This is just how it's traditionally done. Okay, traditional way how to do it. The advantage of this glue is that when you use it, and somehow the calligraphy is really old, let's say few hundred years, and it's masterpiece. What you can do, put it in the water, and you separate the calligraphy from the backing paper. This advantage of this glue. You cannot do it with Migros. Okay, but you don't care because your art is not so high anyway, so who cares, right? But this is the way how to do it. Okay, what we are using is starch. Can you translate the word starch to starch?
Because I mean, I see people are asking.
Okay, I don't cook. Can you remember everything?
Yes,
after
okay.
Just tell me the one word starch.
C'est l'amidon.
Okay, there are many ways, many kinds of starch. This is wheat starch.
Oui, ça c'est l'amidon de blé.
Okay, this is what you. If you would like to buy it, it's very inexpensive, and if you go to art shop, they should have it.
C'est vraiment bon marché, hein, donc il faut l'acheter dans un magasin d'art.
Dans un magasin d'art.
Voilà, donc on
Usually they have big bottle or big box of the starch. One box is enough for you for life. So.
Can you use other types of starch, like rice starch?
There's other types of starch you can use.
Or
the wheat
corn.
starch is the best. And for example, starch from potatoes doesn't work.
Oh.
So it's not always, it doesn't work. Okay? It's not sticky.
And how about
Wheat starch is the safe, so yeah.
cornstarch?
I don't know now. So I need to search. I always use the wheat starch. So
All right.
I'm not sure.
Thank you.
Is it possible to have it in line by internet?
Online? Buy?
Yes, online.
Anything is possible online. So to do it without cooking, you just put the starch with the water and wait some time, and it will also get sticky. You can do that, but when you cook it, the starch is more sticky. It's better. That's why. So the ratio is 3 cups of starch and 1 cup. One cup of starch and 3 cups of water.
C'est le ratio, donc une mesure d'amidon, 3 mesures.
I have water. Yeah. As I said, when you do Urauchi, and after some time you can melt the starch. Then you put the calligraphy in the water and separate calligraphy from the backing paper. So the good thing about the starch is when you are getting messy, everything is washable with water.
Ce qui vient avec l'amidon, c'est que si vous avez une calligraphie ancienne, par exemple, c'est facile de la séparer en fait. Donc le papier qui est donc le papier de base, c'est séparable de la calligraphie juste en mettant dans l'eau. Et donc on ne peut pas faire ça avec la pôle qu'on achèterait à la maison.
How much glue I should cook? Are you going to try tonight?
On a mis partout de cet amidon-là et les...
Yes.
You'll try, right?
Ça c'est aussi un avantage.
En Suisse, vous pouvez trouver ça.
Ah voilà. Ah oui.
René,
I never did it. This is the work for paper who are specialized to separate paper. I can say from photography. Usually people do it, for example, in Japan. Then you have like Asian scroll, and it's start breaking. So they take it and they dismount the whole scroll, keep the masterpiece, and do the new scroll on it. It's a special work. You use a pinset. It's really delicate work. I never did it, and I'm not never going to do that. So it was 2 cups of starch, so now it should be 6 cups of water, right? I don't have enough water. Are you counting?
Yes,
So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Thank you.
6 mesures.
C'est parce qu'il a mis
This is the last one,
En
right?
mesure pour une mesure.
6.
une pour
Il
trois.
a mis dans le bleu.
Thank you.
C'est comme les gâteaux où il y a une
So, can you help me? Somebody who this is from Code, and it's induction cooker. So I press on.
Yes, but you need to.
You have to put the pan.
Okay. What I need a kind of low temperature, not the highest. Okay, low. No, you don't boil it. No. So. That's it for next 15 minutes, okay? It's not gonna be so interesting.
Pourtant, c'est pas tellement intéressant. Je vais faire ça pendant 15 minutes.
Yes.
better.
Is it maybe better to put the water in first and then add the starch so that you avoid lumping stuff up?
Yeah. For example, when you fix a wall, you do it this way, right? Otherwise, you will be chunk of.
I guess.
Yeah. No, it doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
It
Okay.
doesn't matter. You can mix it the whole.
All right,
one.
thank you.
Yeah. You know, it's mixed quite well. It's almost like a milk. So you will not have the chunk of the starch.
Oh,
the wheat.
that's
No.
perfect.
You can mix it out.
So yeah, I don't need to be afraid of that.
No.
Excellent, thank you.
To put the water and a little by a little to put the starch on it and mix it really well. It doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Well, it shouldn't be boiling, okay? So it's really gonna take 15-20 minutes to do that. So you will do in a low temperature, and you know that you are ready when it's really sticky, and when you mix it, you will see the trails. Understand? And also you will see that you have a kind of bubbles coming up. That you are done. After that, you just put the lid on it. After that, you will have it. So you will put carefully a little bit of water on the glue. The thing why to do that, you will see it. How I'm gonna do it. The why to do that is that when you cook the starch, you will have a glue. If you leave it like it is, you will not put water at the end on it. You will have same problem like you have with pudding. When you cook a pudding, you cook it, right? You put it in a fridge. When you take it out, on the top is kind of, some people like it, some people hate it. I hate it. I throw it away all the time. You know what I mean? Really,
like a
it's
skinny
like,
thing.
Yeah. So not to have it. So at the end we put a little bit of water.
So currently it's set to say 60 degrees, right?
It seems to be. I cannot go lower. So I think
60.
it's the lowest.
Thank you.
So it's too hot.
Voilà, c'est ça la consistance.
So even 60 was too hot?
Yeah, I would use a lower temperature, but it's okay. It's gonna work.
Probably start burning on the bottom.
Oh, I see.
It's like cooking, only that you can eat it.
I never cook, I'm sorry.
Ah, good reason to start now. Yeah, has the consistency of pudding. It's
So
funny.
it was quite fast, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna be okay.
When you say fast, it's because the temperature was
Too high. It was lowest. I couldn't go lower. Usually it takes me 15, 20 minutes. I think we are in 10. We are done.
What could go wrong with this steps?
I don't know. I think we are risking to have a problem with burning, like some kind of brownish, because it must be transparent, right? When you do the urauchi. So, but I think it's okay. So how do you find that it's okay? So when I do this and I mix it, you see the trails, right? So it's like a pudding, no? Isn't it? Would you like to lick it? So again, that's it. So this is still hot or not? No. Shouldn't be hot. Yeah, it's induction, right? So how to put the water on it? Very carefully. I need more water. Can you open it for me, please? Thank you.
Cold or hot?
Cold is fine.
Cold is fine.
Little bit more water. Water. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Já nevím, my tam nemáme doma teplotu. Něco, to nejnižší, no. Okay, the question is, what temperature should be, well, now we used 60 degrees, it was the lowest. It was really fast, so I think something lower. I couldn't go lower in this. So I don't know how many degrees. So it should take about 15-20 minutes. I think we are done in 10, so maybe. But nothing happened wrong. You must be really, really careful and be really, really precise when you make a glue that is gonna be ready to use for scroll. Because when you have a glue that is really thin, almost like a milk or water, you are risking that the calligraphy and the backing paper will not stick well together.
Par rapport à si on utilise cette technique pour un rouleau, donc ce qui est important, c'est que la couche de colle.
Thank you. Another problem is when you have a glue that is really thick, strong glue, you are risking that it will be really stick well, the backing paper and calligraphy, but the problem on the opposite side is when you start rolling the scroll, it's so tough that paper starts breaking. So not too thin, not too thick.
C'est-à-dire que si les propres ce qui va se passer avec un rouleau, avec le rouleau, c'est que ça colle bien. Par contre, quand on roule le rouleau, en fait, le papier, il a une tension, commence à se placer.
I don't know if you have seen a scroll, but if you did it, there are one calligraphy, but there are many layers. Few layers of paper, and also there's a layer of silk, and everything is backed together, so there are few layers. So you cannot use really strong glue, because after that you will be not able to scroll it up. You know what I mean? Okay. So, and also you have when you do the scroll, you have different types of thickness of the glue. So, for example, the glue that looks like a milk is used for calligraphy and backing paper. But after, when you put stripes of silk on a scroll, you use a little bit thicker glue. So it's very complicated, but we don't care. We use the glue that we do the calligraphy, but we will not scroll it. We just have a calligraphy, we put it under the glass, probably in a frame, and that's it. So if it's too thick, we don't care so much. If it's too thin, well, it's really thin, like a water, we are risking problem that it will be not glued together very well, but we will not have this problem. We don't need to be so precise, because we are going to end up under the glass, and that's it. Okay? Why we do that is not to have wrinkles on a paper. That's why we do it. Because you have a few options when you are doing the calligraphy and you would like to take the calligraphy and give it to someone, like a present, or sell it to someone, like a business. You have few options, right? One option is that you do the calligraphy on this Japanese paper, small, big, it doesn't matter what size, and you give it like that. But the paper is almost like a toilet paper. It doesn't seem to be like, you know, there are wrinkles and it's too like that, right? The other option is to use the hard paper. Like Pascal did it. This is not Japanese paper, this is just paper from Geneva, right? But you will not have the same same kasure and same hihaku and same techniques. This paper is better for calligraphy. This paper, okay, you can brush on it, but it doesn't look so good like on this paper. So this is one option, just give it to like that. Don't do Urauchi. Another option is to do the hard paper. Another option would be to ask somebody who can do it for you, if you have such a person. For example, in Japan, you can take your calligraphies and go to a shop and ask them, please do Urauchi for me, or please do scroll for me, like Japanese calligraphers do. But we are not in Japan, so what you can do it by yourself, and it's not so difficult. And after, you will have a calligraphy like that. I have a big folder here. Give me a second. Yes, yes. You will discuss it in tonight, okay? So, just to show you one thing, I have this folder of fuck-ups of Urauchi, so I will show it to you tonight, what's wrong with this Urauchi and this Urauchi, but tonight. Just a teaser that you will not leave home and you will stay after dinner. Okay, so I have a calligraphy I did over here. So, okay. So I would like to show you a few things later, but now I would like to show you something else. This is what I'm going to show you now. Just the reason why to do that. So I did a calligraphy on this paper. This is without Urauchi. So it means when I put it on a glass, do I need to go outside and okay? Just imagine this is the frame, this is the glass of the frame. I put it. You see the wrinkles, right? Okay. So it's not so nice. Okay. So what you can do, give it like this to someone, or well, use paper like this and do it. But if you do that, you will have not this effects, you know, you will not have this cloud, what you want to do. You can achieve it on this paper. But if you do the Urauchi, this is the same calligraphy. And now it's after Urauchi. And now, when I put it behind the glass, there are no wrinkles. Okay, like that. So this is the calligraphy, and this is the backing paper. So, but we will discuss it tonight. The glue is done. Now we need to put it in cold place.
And excuse me, when did you put the seal? When did you put the seal? After or after Urauchi?
We will discuss it tonight.